Hey guys, it's treat day, the one day where I don't worry about calories, carbs, anything like that. I just go kind of hog wild and eat what I want. Today I decided to make these Sloppy Joe grilled cheese sandwiches. They are so yummy, just absolutely divine. You're gonna love them. Let me show you how to make it. Okay guys, I'm gonna start off by adding my ground beef to a pan. And this is somewhere in the neighborhood of about a pound of lean ground beef. And we'll just break this up and brown it. And of course this is over medium-high heat. Okay, so I've got a fair bit of fat here, even though it says it's lean ground beef, it never is. So I'm going to drain about 70% of the fat off this. Now I'm going to add in a quarter of a red bell pepper that I've chopped up. Half a small onion and 3 cloves of chopped garlic. And we'll just saute this up for a few minutes. After about 2 or 3 minutes, that beautiful smell has filled the air, so it's fragrant. And I'm going to add in about 1/3 of a cup of ketchup. Now this can be the ketchup of your choice. A couple of teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. And 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, just to make everybody sweet. Some salt. And of course, you know what comes next. What is this, guys? Now we'll just give this a stir up for a couple of minutes until it's well incorporated. Reduce the heat and we're pretty much good to go. And just look at this, guys. It smells and tastes so good. If you want to add a little more ketchup, you can go ahead and do so. This is good. Now you might say, Dave, why don't you just buy the store-bought, the canned stuff? No, we got to make it ourselves. Okay, guys, now it's time to build our treat day Sloppy Joe grilled cheese sandwich. With a couple of slices of bread, I'm going to lay 1 slice of marbled cheese on top. Of course, you can use the cheese of your choice. Then our Sloppy Joe mixture over the top. And sometimes Joe can be really sloppy. Alright, I'll stop with the stupid jokes. And that heat from the Sloppy Joe is going to start to melt down the cheese, which we want. Then another layer of cheese on top. And pop the top on. Okay guys, next up I got my pan over medium heat here, and I'm going to add in a good knob of butter. Now the trick is I never butter my bread when I'm making any kind of grilled cheese. I just add a good knob of butter to the pan and it just does the work. You end up tearing apart the bread. And we're going to slip our sandwich in and let it cook on one side. Just press down a little bit here. Now we're going to give this a flip over and let it fry on the other side. I'm going to add another knob of butter in there. Another couple of minutes on the other side. The cheese has melted and we are good to go. Plate this up and it's going to be time to chow down with our treat. Okay, let's cut into this and see what we've got. Okay, just look at this, guys. Ooey gooey goodness, just filled with it. Yum. Alright, my favorite time in the whole wide world to taste test. You look so good. Guys, absolutely incredible. And what I really like is the Sloppy Joe mixture is just incredible. The cheese just kind of drips off it. Just so good. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. And as always, stay safe, guys.